Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. US futures are slightly lower ahead of the Trump's inauguration, but most Asian markets are higher. China unchanged its lending rate. Gift Nifty is also slightly higher, but India is definitely in for more trouble. The Trump has not invited Modi for his inauguration. Remember, Modi has shared the stage with the Trump once upon a time. That's a very, very rare thing. Another world leader sharing the stage with Trump. It's a very, very rare. And because of that, people thought Mr. Modi is very close to Trump. So Mr. Modi will be invited for the inauguration. So whether he has been invited or not, so it doesn't matter for stock market. But now the reason why he has not been invited, because the US government is planning to bring in more sanctions against Russian oil industry. So definitely that will go very much against India. So Trump is going to take some decision that is going to affect India. So probably that is the reason he avoided inviting Mr. Modi for inauguration. So when more restrictions brought for Russian's oil, so India is importing 88% of its requirement through import. So India is importing 88% of its oil. Only 12% is being produced locally. Out of this 88%, almost 50% of the oil is being brought from Russia. And so if there is restrictions, then India may have to look somewhere else. So Russian oil is being imported at a very, very cheap price. Right? So India will have to pay a very high price if they want to buy oil from somewhere else. Number one, that will drain the foreign exchange reserves. And number two, the cost of oil become too high, and so they may have to increase the petroleum prices in India, so which will add pressure to the inflation. So whichever way we are looking at it, so this is a very, very bad news. So today, number one, oil marketing companies will be in trouble. They will be big trouble. Number two, in general, oil and gas industry will be in trouble. And number three, the overall market will also be in trouble. So probably many FIAs might have foreseen this situation. So after the Trump's winning, so probably that was one of the reasons why FIAs were aggressively selling in the last 2 months. October month they've sold, that we can understand, because the markets were at peak. But November, December, January. So in these 3 months also, they've been selling continuously. I think in these 3 months, in the month of October, I think they have sold for about 1,15,000 crore. Then the next 3 months also they have sold, together they have sold for more than 1 lakh crore. So all is not well with India. Kotak Bank will be in focus today after its results yesterday. HDFC Bank and Hindustan Unilever will be in focus ahead of the results day after tomorrow. Stock specific actions may continue, but remember, TCS results came. It was good. It was up 5-6%, but still that day overall market was down. Reliance results was good. It was up 3-4%. Still the overall market was negative on that day. So from now, for the next 2 weeks, stock specific actions may continue due to the results, but overall market sentiment is not likely to be very good. So what can change the market? Only one thing, so that's budget. So today or tomorrow, we will be releasing one video regarding the pre-budget expectation. I will bring out with some interesting facts. So that is number one. So expect some stock specific action. Clearly 23,500 is a resistance. Okay, so lack of sleep. I didn't sleep yesterday night. Okay, so 23,500 is a resistance, and keep watching for 23,047, the recent low on the downside, and the round figure 23,000. So if bulls will have to defend 23,000 at any cost, if not, the probability of Nifty sliding to 22,500 is very, very high, right? So most of the people, because this month we started, we went to 24,200. Falling below 23,000 will lead to huge MTM losses for the people who are holding their positions. So let us hope that does not happen. So probably even the government of India knows about this. So probably that is the reason why here and there, they are giving some kind of a positive signal, up to 15 lakh income tax reduction, for new companies, reduced tax of 18%. So those kind of rumors are floating around. Okay, so probably intentionally circulated by the government, so to offset any negative impact of this Trump's Russian oil sanctions. So things are not looking good. But if you are a long-term investor, so these are the best uncertain time one can invest for long-term. So I'm coming out with some stock discussion also. It is not a stock recommendation. It's a stock discussion. We will put the facts, in front of you. Then you can decide if you want to buy or you do not want to buy. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.